prove some formulae. As you know, the formula of sin A plus B equals to sin A cos B plus cos A sin B. Now, if I write A in place of B, so now formula becomes sin A cos A plus cos A sin A. Now here sin A plus A sin 2A, and here is sin A cos A sin A, means 2 sin A cos A. So this is the first formula of sin 2A. Now if we see in the very next line, I can write sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A. Here is 1. Now in the very next line, 2 sin A cos A, 1 can be written as cos square A plus sin square A. Now if I divide the numerator and denominator with cos square A, so these two cancelled out, this one cancelled out. Now here sin A upon cos A, tan A, here is 1, sin A upon cos A tan A, but here is square, so tan square A sin 2A. The two formula of sin 2A. First one is sin 2A is equal to 2 sin A cos A, and second is sin 2A is equal to 2 tan A upon 1 plus tan square A. The formula of cos A plus B is cos A cos B minus sin A sin B. Again, if I write A in place of B, so we can write cos A, again cos A, minus sin A and sin A. So this is cos square A minus sin square A, and here is cos 2A. So this one is the first formula of cos 2A. Now in the second one, cos 2A, if cos square A can be written as 1 minus sin square A, and this is also sin square. So cos 2A equals to 1 minus 2 sin square A. This is the second formula. Now here is cos 2A. Now 1 minus 2 sin square A can be written as 1 minus cos square A. So here is 1 minus 2 plus 2 cos square A. Now cos 2A is equal to 2 cos square A minus 1. So this one is the third formula. And if we see the first step, cos 2A is equal to cos square A minus sin square A. I am going to write in the denominator 1. So in the very next line, here cos square A minus sin square A, and in place of 1 I can write cos square A plus sin square A. Now if I divide numerator and denominator by cos square A, then the formula of cos 2a becomes, here cos square cancel, here also cancel, so 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a. So that are four formulae for cos 2a. The next one is tan a plus b, as you know, is equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. Now again, if I replace b with a, so here tan a plus tan a upon 1 minus tan a into tan a. So here becomes tan 2a equals to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. This is the formula of tan 2a. Sin 3a can be written as sin a plus 2a. Now you can write the formula sin a cos b plus cos a sin b. If I write sin a and we write the formula of cos 2a, that is 1 minus 2 sin square a, 1 minus 2 sin square a, here cos a and this side 2 sin a cos a. So if we see, this one is sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a into cos square a. So again sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a into 1 minus sin square a, because cos square a can be written as 1 minus sin square a. Now sin a minus 2 sin cube a plus 2 sin a minus 2 sin square a. If we see, sin a 2 sin a 3 sin a minus 2 2 4 sin cube a, and this is the formula of sin 3. The cos 3a equals to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, and you can prove it. By the way, I have already used. Now I am going to prove the formula of tan 3a. Now tan 3a can be written as tan a plus 2a. Now here I am going to formula of tan a plus b, that is tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a into tan b. So here tan a plus the formula of tan 2a is 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. Here 1 minus tan a, again 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So here if I take the LCM 1 minus tan square a, so here is tan a minus tan cube a plus 2 tan a, and here is 1 minus tan square a minus 2 tan into tan square a upon 1 minus tan square a. Now these two cancelled out. Here tan A plus 2 tan A, 3 tan A minus tan cube A, 1 minus 3 tan square A, and this is the formula of tan 3A.